This is an ultimated battle, and we are gonna be using the Dominix Rex as one of our competitors, and the lizard. Plus, we are also gonna be using the Triceratops and the two ultimated duckies. And this is Boss Bunny and the disappearing ink. Let the battle begin. Now the Dominix Rex goes, and he's gonna bite the Triceratops whole. And it takes down the Triceratops and the duckies. But who's left here? It is the black ducky. Let's see if this ducky can still be alive. Oh, that ducky takes out the Dominix Rex whole. And what are we gonna do with this guy?